Howdy, this is a recording of my process for editing video for Camtasia. This is a short video I made for a few teachers showing the process for sharing a Canva template with students through ClassLink classes. My first task is to remove portions of the video where I was waiting on the computer or where I paused in my delivery. I will also make some editorial cuts if I feel I was too detailed in my delivery or if something isn't contributing to the objective of the video. I'm now adding area spotlights to draw attention to my actions on the screen. This helps to focus viewer attention where I want it. I also like to add text directions to reinforce the required actions. This also makes the videos useful in situations where the learner needs to quickly review by scrubbing through the video or when audio conditions are not ideal. The training video was under 5 minutes, it is concise, there are no distracting flourishes or superfluous graphics, and it is designed to focus attention and reinforce main ideas.